Hello everybody, today we gotta make a delicious pasta with eggplant and ricotta cheese. Now, you see the eggplant how nice it look? So you put a salt, this one it come mush, all water inside. And this I don't like. And for the skin, it's delicious. The skin I like so much for me. But so you want to take the skin out? It's okay. Take the skin out. And for me, it's not bitter at all. And let's put oil of the olive. Okay, now the time the oil it warm up, we got the water over here boil. And let's put salt. And I put 3 teaspoons of salt. It got a lot of water over here. Now the taste of the oil is ready. I do all the time. You see? And the oil is ready. And let's put now the eggplant inside. You see? I'm nice. And this oil I use, it's a di cecco. Okay, now I need a little bit more oil. Okay, see? Right away, the eggplant take everything, but not too much. Only, that's all. You see, with the eggplant, when you know gotta soak with the salt, you see how nice you stay? This it's like a sponge. That's why I keep over here the sponge to show to everybody. See? It stay the same. It not go mush. Okay, now we gotta cook the pasta. Penne. Okay, now the pasta boil nice. And I use now garlic. Because this is cook already half. And the other half I want to cook with the garlic. And let's put the garlic. Because the garlic now, it give really good taste. Okay, now everybody say, Pasquale, you miss something. No. My oil baby, the flake of the pepper, I use all the time. I use a flake or fresh long Italian pepper. But we use flake of the pepper. It give a really good taste. Okay, now we give a nice turn on this. Now, when you do this, make sure to not throw away the water. Okay, you need the water. Now, I take it out little water. I need this, the mix of the ricotta, and you the mix all together. And I leave on the side now, okay, cool off a little bit. Because if you put too hot the ricotta, it come pecorino cheese. Okay, now the eggplant gotta cook a little bit more. And now it's a time I put a little salt, not too much, like this. And I use black pepper. All right. And look how beautiful look at this eggplant. Nice. Now, when the pasta is cooked, we put it right over here. Okay, now we gotta make a delicious salsa with the ricotta. And put a little salt. Okay. And we use a black pepper. All right. And we put cheese. This is a pecorino cheese. Now that this is mixed together, we got the pasta water, the mix it together, that we make a little more liquid. And let's put a little bit at a time. And look how beautiful look now this. Now we got a nice fresh basil, and we put it right inside the eggplant over here. Okay, give a really good taste. Okay, now the pasta is al dente. And let's put it right over here. Turn the gas off. And I pick it up, but I'll leave a little water need for the pasta. If I need more water, I can pick up for the pasta. But so you drain the pasta, make sure to leave the water on the side. And we got to mix really good another pasta with the eggplant over here. Ooh. Okay, now we need the water. And let's put 1 and 2. And we mix it again. Oh, now it looks beautiful. Look there. And now gets a little bit more wet. You can flip it again. Now we got the quesadilla che I gotta put the ricotta. Okay, let's put this. Yeah, I put it like this. Look there. A little water. Okay. And look at that. Huh? Okay, now you gotta cook a little bit more. It's look delicious. And now it's a time of the taste. Pecorino cheese on the top. And we got the basil. This dish you make after everybody gotta say, thank you very much, Pasquale. Okay, it's really, really good. Chin chin, salud, and thank you so much. Thank you.